Hello and welcome to the part 6 of this video series under sets, and here we are looking at example number 2. So this said, if the universal set is given by this universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a universal set, and the sets A, B, C are defined as follow. So these are the elements for sets A, B, and C. So now these are the questions that follows. So you should find A union into bracket B union C, A intersection B prime, A prime union B prime. And then the fourth one is what? A prime into brackets prime. So if you've been following this video, you should be able to attempt this question. So I want you to pause this video and attempt this question, and let me know if you are able to solve it in the comment section below. So just pause it and try to attempt this question before I show you the solution. Okay, so let me start. So for the first one, you are going to look for A union B union C. So the first thing we are going to do is look for the one in the brackets, which is B union C. So let's first follow for B union C. That is B union C. So this is B here and this is C. So don't forget union, the collection of of B and C. So if you are to look at it, so that will be B, then C, and C is common to both, so we'll just write it once. Then D is even common to both, but we'll write it once. Then followed by E, then F, G, and H. F, G, and H. So the next thing we are going to do is now look for A union B union C. Sorry, that will be A union B union C. So for A we have A, B, C. So we are going to look for the union of A, set A, and this B union C. So that will give us, okay, A, B. We already have B and C, so the only thing that is the A. So it's A we are going to add to it, to this element. So that will be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is the answer to what? To the first one, when we look for A union B union C. So the answer to it is what? Is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. So that's the answer. So let's go to the second one. We are asked to look for A intersection B prime. So the first thing we are going to do is look for what? A intersection B. So for A intersection B, so this is A and this is B. So the intersection of A and B, that is elements that is common to both A and B. So let's look at it together. So if you look at the element that is common to both A and common to both set A and set B, if you look at, we have A is not here, B is in set A, it is not in set B, C is in set B. So the only element they have in common is what? Is C. So this is C. So this is an example of a singleton set, a set with only one element. So that's A intersection B. So now the next thing is what? A intersection B prime. So for A intersection B prime, that will be, now we are going to be looking at the elements in the universal set. So this is the universal set. So what we are going to look at, what the element that is in the universal set that is not in A intersection B, and the only element in A intersection B is C. So any other element in the universal set apart from C will give us our A intersection B prime. So, and that will be A, B. So this time we are not going to be having C because C is already there in A intersection B. So it will be A, B, D, E, F, G, and H. Don't forget your comma sign, and then you close it. So this is the answer what to the second question, which is A intersection B prime is, so the elements for it is what, A, B, D, E, F, G, H. So let's go to the third one. So for the third one, we are looking for A prime union B prime. So the first thing we are going to do here is we are looking for A prime first. So for A prime, that means this is the A. The elements for A is A, B, and C. So when we are talking about A prime, so A prime will be all the elements in the universal set. The element in the universal set that is not in set A. So those elements are what? So we already have A, B, and C is already in set A. So we are going to look at the universal set. The element in the universal set that is not in set A, and they are, so A, B, and C, which is in the universal set. The other ones that are not in this one are D, E, F, G, and H. So that would be D, E, F, G, and H. So let's look at that of B prime. So for B prime, for B we have C, D, E, G. So let's look at the universal set. Other elements apart from C, D, E, G will give us our B prime. So that is A, B, F, and H. So now let's look for the union of these two sets, of sets A prime and B prime. So A prime union B prime. So that would give us A, B, D, E, F, G, H. So here's the answer to what, to the third one. So now there's another question that is under. It said, what do you notice about the question 2 and question 3? So what do you notice? So if you notice it, you see that they are the same thing. The answers are the same thing. We have A, B, D, E, F, G, H. We also have A, B, D, E, F, G, H. So they are what? They are, that means A intersection B prime is also the same thing as A prime union B prime. And A prime union B prime is also the same thing as A intersection B or prime. So with that, I want you to attempt A prime into bracket A prime. Attempt it and let me know what your answer is in the comment section below. So if you have attempted it earlier and you are able to get it, do let me know what your answer is also in the comment section below. And then I'll see you in the next part. In the next part, we are going to be looking at examples under Venn diagram. Make sure you don't miss it. And I'll see you in the that will be part 7. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and then you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share. Thank you.